Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnana's World. So guys, we have Bhanu Prasad on our channel who has recently cracked Tech Mahindra ASE profile. So yes, Bhanu will be sharing his entire experience, which is like the exam pattern which has changed completely this time, and the interview experience. He is from 2020 batch pass out. So all over to you, Bhanu. First of all, congratulations that you cracked Tech Mahindra, and yes, you share your experience with people out there.
Yeah, first of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to share my experience with you and all of your YouTube channel members. And coming to my details, I am Banu Prasad. I did my Bachelor of Technology in the stream of Computer Science Engineering from Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies, RK Valley, Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh. And recently I cracked Tech Mahindra in AST role. And coming to my experience, actually I attended in a off-campus drive. It is off-campus drive only. And I did my registration on 18th November 2021. And I got all my registration details, user ID and password.
Mhm.
Then coming to my first round, I get my first round link on 22nd November 2021. And the pattern is somewhat changed this time, and it consists of 1 hour 30 minutes duration test it is. And they also give the test validity from 22nd to 24th November. They're giving the deadline. Within that given deadline we have to complete our test. Then I simply done it in the first day itself, whatever the date I get the test. And and that's about the first round. And coming to the pattern, it consists of basic aptitude and also essay writing. And first I didn't exactly remember the exact sessions, but they are simply quantitative, logical, reasoning, and english questions, with all are MCQs only. And then in the last part they have given a essay based upon the social activities. Recently whatever the things happen, they have simply given the time limit of words to complete that. And that's all about the test pattern and all the things about the first section and first round. And a few days later on 26th, within 4 days gap, I got a link of psychometric test. It means that I know it later that it is a clear of the first round. Then it is simply 25 minutes test only. And they're just given some personality type of questions. We have to say whether it is yes or no, or you can be take it neutral. It is not an elimination round. It's just a personality check, I think. They're just given that. And after that I get my within the same date only, within 26th November only, I get my third round link. It is assessment V4 test for freshers from Tech Mahindra. And in that there will be only technical round. You can simply say it as a technical round. It consists of 20 I didn't exactly know, but it consists of computer science fundamental questions and basic Sudoku. We have to get the output, and there is MCQs only. And at last there is only one coding question. It is also easy to medium type only. They're not at all a hard one. Who can have the basic knowledge of basic coding like strings, arrays, you can easily crack that. Actually I have passed all the test cases, and some of my friends just the code is compared, they can get the under round link. I passed all the test cases in the question. And that's the end of the third online test. And within 4 days gap, in 30th November, I got the final round, that is conversational skills. This is the most important round. And actually many of my friends also got rejected in this round only. It is just a test of communication skills, less like listening skills, speaking skills. They just give it is a platform of AMCAT platform. It is only it also have a validity. We have to complete it within 30th November to 1st December. Within the deadline we have to submit the test. It is only one attempt. And I just give it 1st December. I had an attempt. It's just consists of 40 questions. 40 questions, and we have to listen it carefully. We have to listen to the questions, and you have to carefully speak the sentences. And there's only 40 questions is there. And at last they given a small topic, and they can give 10 to 15 seconds time. we have to elaborate that, like essay writing within the first round. So we have to speak that. That's the end of the entire process of test. So this is only. And by 2nd December, I got the result as campus joining. As we
Hmm.
have cleared all the rounds, send the documents for further process. And many of them, they got the message like, you didn't clear the conversation skills test, so we didn't get forward your candidature. Somewhat my friends got. I got cleared all the rounds and I get the campus joining for details. Yeah, that's all about the entire process of testing and all the questions.
Okay,
Yeah, all the
great.
rounds.
Very well explained, Bhanu. Thank you so much. So, I mean, guys, there are, rounds which he explained as like the aptitude. This is very common. Like, you are preparing for the other companies, you need not to prepare, especially for Tech Mahindra, because this is very common test pattern would be like easy to medium. After that, very important is psychometric, which is not an elimination round, but yes, it is a test, like your personality test or personality check questions are there. So this kind of test is like how you think. And next is very important, the V4 assessment, which is, I think he explained like a technical round, basically all 40, approximately 40 questions and coding round. And yes, may I know, Bhanu here, that which coding language you chose?
I am very comfortable in Java. Actually, I am coding in Java in past 1 year, so that's why I am comfortably in Java. So I written my code in Java language only.
Other,
Yeah,
options were also there.
yeah. Basically, they have given 4 choices: C, C++, Java, Python. It's a common languages. They can have the option. I selected Java.
Great.
Oh,
And the questions were from like very common topics like arrays or strings, which is also easy to medium level questions, like Bhanu
yeah.
said. Apart from this, very important, the last part, which is a conversational test, which was initially, we didn't knew about this kind of, this round basically. But yes, here also it's a kind of a communication test, which I think if you have attended Accenture also, so this is a bit common to that communication test if people are connecting with this. So here again, it is very important that how you speak, your pronunciation, your the way of your voice modulation and etc. would be considered. So I hope you practice online, very important. And yes, be calm, listen carefully, like Bhanu said, you have to be calm and you have to be a good listener here and a good speaker too. Also, the last part would be like small, I mean, what was the duration of speaking about the last question? The
It's
essay part. Hmm.
I didn't exactly remember, but they give 10 to 15 seconds, I think so. But they can give 1 minute, exactly 1 or 1.5 minutes to speak, to elaborate our views. They
And
just
how?
recorded.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
They can just give me, as I get topic like, what is your favorite comic novel or any of the book? I said, I like Ramayana. And I described the characters very fastly with a quick view. And
Hmm.
I simply, within that characterization only, I ended my time. So that's all.
What was the time duration? How much time you had to
It's
speak?
it's just 1 minute to 1.5 minutes, I think so. Maximum it's 60 seconds only. That's all.
Okay, great,
Yeah.
great. Okay, fine. So guys, this was just about the test patterns, all the rounds. Now, very important, Bhanu, about the documentation process. Like people are
Yeah.
confused about the documentation. Can you a little bit explain about the documentation process, how you did, and what is the stage you are into?
Yeah. I can explain it clearly. On 2nd December, I got a mail in evening that we have to submit the documents, mandatory documents that we have to be sent for the background verification. Uh, Firstly, 10th mark sheet and 12th mark sheet and certificate and graduation certificate. If the original degree is not issued, then we have the option to submit the provisional degree certificate along with the consolidated mark sheet, and also any one of the government ID proof like Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID, anything, any one, it's more than enough. These are the mandatory documents that we need to be exactly do it in a single PDF. They give the pattern and they give the format also. We have to be upload within the given format, and also they also given the subject. We have to put the mail to the consulted HR, and they also given the specified subject and PDF format. We have to upload within that same way, like there. And also They have also given the NATS registration. We have to be mandatory register that on the onboarding. We have pre-onboarding portal. We have to update it later in the process. So that's all in the mail. Initially, they have sent. That's all within the previous thing. And I get my offer letter on 30th December. So it's more than 10 days gap, 10 to 12 days gap. I got my offer letter there. And within that offer, along with the offer letter, they are also given the pre-onboarding portal with a specified login ID and the password. Then password we have, and by logging within that account, we have to be upload all the specified documents. They also send a separate mail to specify mandatory documents also is there. We have like as the offer letter acceptance, we have to be sign on each page and have to upload it. And also bond elect form. That means we have to be take 500 rupees note bond, and we have to make the note on that. We have to give 2 years bond agreement, and that's the two are more mandatory. And also 10 and also the more than 1 to 5 joining report is there. Form 11 is there, EPF account acceptance letter, all we have to be uploaded there. And also on later day, on 14th December, I got a mail that this time they have only virtual joining on onboarding. And my location is Hyderabad, but I got a virtual onboarding only on 21st December. Yeah, that's all. And within the background verification, yeah, just tomorrow. And within that, if it's a very good thing that Tech Mahindra is sending everyday mail. They can check whether the mandatory documents is uploaded in the pre-onboarding portal. And if you didn't upload any of the specified documents, they send each day whether you have not uploaded these documents. Please send it. That's the daily reminder. They are sending by the Tech Mahindra. And also the main important thing is the bond, which is to be signed, notarized on the specified day of joining itself. We didn't get bond to be signed with before the date of joining. We have to be specifically signed within the date of joining itself. That's the valid bond document they are accepting. We didn't make that. They didn't accepting that. They just rejected, and we have to upload it again. So take care of that thing. That's especially that have to be take care of it. And I also did a mistake. I did a mistake at I have 15th December. I signed notarized, and again I went to the lawyer, and I again consult him, and again I write a statement on my bond that I have to please consider it as joining date. So that's all first. We have to avoid that. Please be carefully do that. Whoever are track the Tech Mahindra process, and then simply they give the specified background verification details. And I get 17th December. They specified to give another portal for online background verification. They also given some of the documents to be uploaded there. And the HRs also very responsive. Whenever we have any doubt, they simply give in a mail. We can send our queries. Then we get a reply from them. So it's not all a problem. And that's all about thing. Then my onboarding is on 21st December. And today itself on 30th December, I got an approved mail. That means all my documents are approved. I get a clear-cut information in that mail. So that's all about the onboarding process up to now. Then 21st December is my onboarding date. Yeah.
Great. Fine. So very important, like Bhanu said, that what are the mistakes you need to avoid. But basically about the bond form, very important. I mean, initially when the last phase, the bond form you could have given at any like dates, but this time they are particularly asking for the date of joining, bond form you have to sign in. So make sure that you do that. It is clearly mentioned. In case you have any doubt or query, just mail them. They are very responsive. They are, actually, emailing. They will be reverting you back, whether it can take a little bit time, but yes, they are reverting back. So yes, anything else, Bhanu, at the end you want to share any strategy or any tip to the people out there watching you?
Yeah, actually, I'm a 2020 passed out. I have more time again. My thing. Actually, I prepared for GATE. Due to some reasons, I didn't crack that within the cutoff. Then again, I prepared for the company's interviews, and I learned the Java. So basically, learn only one language, specifically focus on only one language. I've seen some of them that are shifting the language to language from every month to every month. That's not, that's a bad practice. We have to be stick into only one particular language, but learn the object oriented language, any of the one thing. Then daily practice 1 or 2 hours daily. It can be very familiar to you. And also the aptitude is also very common. It is common to any of the companies. Then my suggestion for the freshers or anyone is to code daily, code or practice daily. It can makes you more innovative and thinking you can increase your thinking capability as well. Yeah, that's all my suggestion. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Bhanu, for sharing your immense knowledge with us. And yes, I hope people out there, get benefited out of this video. Thank you so much, Bhanu. And guys, you can just check out other videos as well for the company preparation, interview experiences of other companies as well. Till then, guys, have a great day. Be safe. Bye.